Welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today I'd like to install this LED brake light. It goes here to replace this incandescent light bar that's on this trailer. It hasn't been working for quite a while, so I think this will be something to consider to really get it going. It's held in with two screws. We should be able to back those out. Okay, that's pretty tight. Here we go. Okay, that did come off. And we got a second one. Wow, that came off too. So that's pretty nice. So now we just got our wire, our single wire that we're going to lock in here, because basically the screws will connect this to the frame of it, which is the ground. So we've got one wire to connect, and we'll be working on that here. So I marked the area to drill the second hole, and I drilled it so that the screw would fit there easily. So now we can mount it with the original screws. Okay, that's all the way up there. Now we're going to crimp it. It's crimped. There we go. So I've adjusted this screw a little bit so that this will fit right over that hole. We put our screw to connect it back to the body. I've got it wrapped. Keep your fingers crossed. Take the tension off of it. You have to just heat it up. Supposed to use a heat gun for this. There it goes, melted. Sweet. Alright, our connection is good. And the first screw goes just like that. There it is. Yahoo! So now we got LED lights back there. Submersible, completely waterproof. Should be good. So there we are, the installation of an LED submersible light bar for a trailer. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Comments are very welcome and always responded to. Thanks again.